Hey everybody, so I want to instruct you just a little bit on how we do the Ujjayi Pranayama breath. It's also called the ocean breath. So when you first do it, the reason why we do is it floods the body with oxygen very quickly and expels it completely and efficiently. It also helps to regulate the vagus nerve and all of your nervous system. Okay, so when you do it, we're first gonna open your mouth and it's gonna be like Darth Vader, okay? You're gonna go, you're gonna open the back of your throat so you can literally just pull air in as if there was a hollow bamboo. Now practice pushing out with that same openness in the back of the throat. Let's try that again. Inhale. Exhale. And what you probably notice is that your throat gets dry pretty quick when you do it with an open mouth, which is why we close it. So you're going to breathe through the nose, but you're going to open that hollow. And when you're inhaling, it literally starts from the bottom, comes all the way up, and the exhale flushes all the way down. So let me demonstrate that. So I'm going to do that same ocean breath. I'm going to close my mouth. You'll be able to hear it. And I'll show you with my hands where I'm actually pulling the oxygen up. Okay, here we go. And on the very end, I am pushing in my abdominals to just purge out the last bit of oxygen. On the crest, pause, and exhale, pause. Inhale. It's quite noisy. But again, it flushes the body with tons of oxygen very quickly. And we'll do this last one together. Now the reason we do this in yoga, if you notice you do it just a few times, you become very tranquil and things release and relax, but you maintain a focus. And in yoga, it is about the breath and the focus and awareness of what is going on in the spirit and in the body. So when you're concentrating on your breath, it brings you into the practice of presence. We just did a box breath, and I wanted to share with you how to do a proper Ujjayi breath. If you do these Ujjayi breaths in your yoga session, you will find amazing results, and I can't wait to hear you share those with me, guys. Talk to you soon.